Pelatih Bayangkara Persija Lampung FC, Paul Munster, beserta jajaran mendatangi Stadion Sumpah Pemuda W. Halim, Kota Bandar Lampung pada kedatangan tersebut untuk melihat renovasi Stadion Sumpah Pemuda W. Halim.
Bayangkara Persija Lampung FC, the team to come here. So we're very happy and excited to be here. After 3 bulan, itu cepat, so lebih bagus. So 1 bulan lagi, I hope it'll be 100%. Stadium to support us to be successful in Liga 1. Feeling is to come here is a positive feeling. For all of us to come here, we feel welcomed already. So it's been positive energy, which is important. And it's nice also a lot of the young, the new generation coming here. They love football in Lampung, so it's nice just to be here. We go 100% to be successful, and that home support will give us the 12 player.
Base di Lampung, kita mendapatkan sambutan hangat dan tim pelatih juga sudah melihat
progres stadion yang mungkin dalam waktu 3 bulan ini hal yang mustahil untuk kita Bipol dan manajer